Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Epic Games account. Fortnite code redemption step by step clearly. First, open your web browser on your PC or phone and make sure your internet connection is stable. Go to the official Epic Games website by typing Epic Games. In the address bar. Click Sign In at the top right of the page. Choose how you want to log in, such as Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up and create an Epic Games account with your email and a strong password. Check your email inbox and confirm the verification message from Epic Games if the system asks you to verify. After you are logged in, click your profile icon and open account. In the account settings, review your display name to confirm you are on the correct profile. If you play on console, go to Connections and link your PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, or Nintendo account if it is not linked. Now open a new tab and go to Epic Games. com/Fortnite/ENUS/redeem. If the page asks you to sign in again, log in with the same Epic Games account you want to receive the items on. Find your Fortnite code and make sure you read every character correctly. Click inside the code box and type or paste the code carefully. Double-check for common mistakes like O and 0 or I and 1. Click Redeem to submit the code. Wait a few seconds while Epic Games validates the code on their servers. If you see an error, confirm the code is not expired, already used, or entered with the wrong characters. If the code is correct but still fails, refresh the page and try again once more. If it still does not work, try a different browser or use incognito mode to avoid cached login issues. When redemption is successful, read the confirmation message and note which items were added. Open Fortnite on the same platform linked to your Epic Games account. Let the game fully load and stay connected to the internet so the rewards can sync. Go to the Locker tab to check for new skins, back blinks, pickaxes, emotes, or wraps. If you redeemed V-Bucks or a bundle, also check the item shop and your account balance. If the items do not appear, restart Fortnite and log in again to force a fresh sync. If you play on multiple platforms, make sure you are using the correct linked account on the correct device. For ongoing issues, open Epic Games support and create a ticket with your code details and screenshots if possible. Keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication in your Epic account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.